Guys, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your premium Spotify account. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't miss out on vital information. In saying that, let's dive in. So first thing what you need to do is head over to your Play or App Store, search for Spotify, and make sure Spotify is updated to the latest version. So click on update. Just wait a few moments for that to update. Spotify needs to be updated to the latest version so all parts of this tutorial will work. Okay, once Spotify is updated, click on open. Now on this page you want to click onto your profile, should be located on the top left hand corner, and then click into settings and privacy, and then under account you should see premium plan. Click onto premium plan to view your plan. And then here it says to close your account yourself and delete your data permanently. Click here. Okay, it should say close my account and delete my data. So click on the green button here, which I'm not going to do because I want to keep my Spotify account. And that's it for the video, guys. So thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.